What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to completely disable the website field into WordPress comments field, okay? So when you do a post on our blog, normally it has a comments field with option for a person do a comment on your post, okay? And these comments have normally the author name, author email, website, and the comment itself, okay? However, the website is a very used way to do spam and other bad things, so we may want to remove this so you not let others apply a backlink on your site, okay? So how to do this? This is what we're gonna learn into this video, but before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do, navigate your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins, and click on Add New Plugin. The plugin that you're going to be using to do this, review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to keyword, into search plugins, type WP code, okay? Just like this. WP code, insert headers and footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. This is a very useful plugin, okay, because it has a couple of pre-built codes that you can insert with a single click, so you have no need to understand of PHP, of HTML, okay? Just install this plugin and it's gonna be very useful for a lot of things on your site. As soon as you click into the activate button after installing, remember it's the light version, the free one, okay? You're gonna be able to see, if you review the left sidebar menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, next to settings, a new button called code snippets. Click on it and click on add snippet. Now into the search field, okay, we're gonna search for a code snippet called comments, and there is two options right here. The one that we're gonna be using is this one, disable comments from website URL. Normally it comes with a button to unlock this code snippet for free. All you have to do is create an account on their website and connect your site. It's free. It's gonna just opens a tab into your browser. You're gonna create your account and allow your site. It's completely free and easy. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here for a video where we'll do this process, okay? But after this, go back and click into use snippet. The plugin gonna automatically apply the code on your site, okay? So add folder, form default fields, function, fields, insert, return false. So all we have to do now, review the upper right corner of the screen, and there is a field called inactive. Hit the switcher to move it for active and hit the update button. After this, no more comments, no more website field present into the comments field on your WordPress, okay? So this website field gonna be completely removed. Let me show you. As you can see, there is only comment, name, and email, no website field to leave a reply into this post. Simple, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to get widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, Sites.gallery, that you can promote your site, your app, your game. It's free. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site that you need. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!